All right, so we're gonna show you straight leg dumbbell deadlifts. So you're gonna grab a set of dumbbells, and then you're gonna stand about hip width apart, toes forwards, and then you don't have to lock out the knees, just a soft bend to the knees. Set the ribs, so just let it stack under you. Then you're only hinging at the hips, and the dumbbells go forwards, and they're just dragging right almost on your knees. Good. Reach the bum back, reach it, pause, and then only squeeze through the hips and the bum to stand back up. All the way back up, all the way back up. Good. Okay, and again, but this time you're even concentrating more on ripping the ground apart. Rip that ground apart, rip it apart, rip it apart. Pause, reach the bum further back in the air. Good. All the way up. Last one is the one last tip, all the way down. Think about the feet ripping it apart. There, pause, and then lift the bum weight. Lift it that way in the sky. Good. Perfect. So this should work the glutes like crazy, hamstrings, and a lot of core strength. That's the dumbbell deadlift.